Hello guys, this is Safe, Clean and COVID-free André Perron, camera operator. I'm with Charles. We do talk a lot about rigs, about like full bundle camera stuff and
Yeah, so people will ask us where I'm gonna carry my rig and everything. Do you have a specific bags or stuff like that? So we decided to came out a couple of months ago. I think it's a month ago, just a month ago, with the shape bag. Okay, we call it the S bag. So this bag is really like sober, black, clean bag. So the bag itself is not big to put your full rig already rigged in a bag.
it's specifically a camera bag, so you can keep the old thing already mounted, so you don't have to take everything apart.
It comes with 3 different pouches. Pouches are removable. Okay, so you have like pretty much like we call that like a assistant belt pouch for tools and stuff like that. We get the pencil pouch here.
That's great.
And this one is already attached with the well-known, we call that the MOLLE system developed by the military
it's
industry.
removable. Okay.
Removable.
You can see that.
Yeah.
Like, you know, everybody knows the MOLLE system.
Yeah.
Military grade,
Exactly.
quick attachment system.
So 3 different pouches. On the side here, we have a pouch, enough big to carry a monitor. This one is a Shogun 7, so 7 inches monitor is with the cage.
And it
Enough space.
It's padded. It's already padded, so
Already
it gives
padded.
it a little bit more protection. That's cool.
Exactly. If we go here in front, we have a bigger pouch, enough big to put the shape mat box.
Okay.
So, and again padded. So the mat box in the front. And then here another small pouch for call sheet, papers, stuff like that. And again
You
here,
do have on the other side as well. Okay, so
another one. on the
virtually
side.
pouches all around the
All
place.
around, exactly.
On the lid,
On the lid, we get different other pouches, like 4 pouches, a clear.
this one is clear, exactly. So you open the lid, you're looking for like a card, you know exactly which pouch it is. So that's cool.
Lens cleaner, lens cap. And another cool feature is when you're in studio and it's really dark, we have lights here, LED lights. So 2 LED lights with button that can stay open. So when you have to look in your bag and it's really dark, you can lift your bag.
We all know about those overnight shoots.
That is very fantastic. Another thing, it's people were telling us we don't want to have to be too noisy when you want to go and sit in your bag.
You're on set, and then you want to open your bag, and it goes. The sound guy will hate you.
So the lid itself is magnet, so magnetic lid, as you can see. So just silence lid. On the back here we have another pouch, bigger enough
For the slate.
to carry your slate, clap, and then underneath the bag, we think about everything.
That's
Underneath
pretty
here,
cool.
we have another zip, and you have a rain cover. And the rain cover can cover the bag itself, but it's removable. So if you want to protect your rig, you know, from the rain, from the dust, or whatever it's enough big to protect your equipment when it's raining, when it's snowing, whatever what.
Magnifique.
Exactly.
So it does the trick. It's big.
Yeah.
So what do we
big.
have?
So we think about everything. So for shipping purposes, we decide to make it like if you want to travel or stuff like that, you want to bring your bag with you, but you know it's another like carry-on luggage. So
It's actually bigger than a
so
carry-on.
we said, oh, let's make it like if we can fold the bag, okay? So the sides or Velcro side that you install after. So if you see here, this is the shipping box. So as you can see, the shipping box is smaller than the bag itself, okay? Why?
That's cool.
Because you know when you open on the box, all the pouches are there. You see? You have your belt, and then the bag itself is
It's
folds.
foldable.
And then you have your side and bottom pad here. So the
Okay,
bag.
so when all the travel will resume, hopefully soon, you'll be able to pack your camera bag and virtually go everywhere you want.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So it's available now. We came out with this a month ago. It's a really big success. We sell many of them. We got a very cool, nice review. And if you want to have more information and look for the availability, just call Richard at Global Distribution, our UK distributor.
Because Richard knows. He knows.
So thank you very much for listening and have a nice show, guys.
Ask Richard.